carrier.
He's not getting out because I have my squelch set at the noise level.
All I hear from you is... Lonnie Anderson.
He ain't walking on me now, but... I tell you what, boy.
Honey.
Oh, I've heard you here before.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? This is a bad deal for you.
What's up?
You know what? You're not supposed to be here on the end of this court. I have a lot of problems